Hi students, my name is Ankush and in this video I am going to discuss about the concept of molarity with different types of the numericals so that this will clear to you and how this molarity is used in the laboratory we will discuss in this video. So let's start. So here the topic is molarity. So students, instead of learning the formula, first of all, you have to understand what is the meaning of molarity. Suppose here in most of the numericals you can check will give you 1 molar HCl. So here molarity is denoted by capital M. So what is the meaning of 1 molar HCl? So here it means is 1 mole of HCl is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Clear? So here either 1 liter is equals to 1 decimeter cube, 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So here this is the meaning of 1 molar HCl. 1 mole of HCl is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So here 1 mole, here mole is equals to mass by molar mass. Clear? So suppose here you want to prepare the 1 molar HCl solution. So at that time, what does it mean? 1 mole of HCl is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So here, suppose if you want to make this solution, so at that time you have to add, I will explain means how the 1 mHCl is prepared. So here mole means mass. Here we do not know what is how much mass is there. Here mass is X and molar mass is 35.5 plus 1. Here they give 1 mole. X is equals to 36.5 gram. So here it mean is 36.5 gram of HCl is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So here either you can take solution or either here solvent. So here 36.5 gram of HCl is dissolved in 1 liter of solution which is a water. Clear? So here this is the meaning of molarity, practical meaning. So here what we get the definition. Here 1 mole means here mole is equals to given mass by molar mass in 1 liter of solution. In 1 liter of solution, so here the molarity definition will become molarity is equals to number of moles of solute. Clear? Here our solute is HCl. Clear? Number of moles of this solute dissolved in volume of solution in 1 liter. So here a liter is taken as standard. So here 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter or either maybe 1 liter is equals to 1 decimeter cube. So this is a definition and this is the practical meaning of molarity. So here 1 m molarity can be written as 1 m. Here number of moles NB divided by volume of solution in liter. So here this is a liter. Clear? So here number of moles is given mass divided by molar mass into volume of solution in liter. So here this is a formula for the molarity. Now our topic is means what is its unit. You can calculate the unit from here. So here unit is molarity is equals to mole divided by volume. So here mole, unit is mol, and volume is in liter, so its SI unit is mole per liter. So student, is it clear? This is the means practical meaning of molarity. So here you have to understand the practical meaning of the molarity, then understand the definition, because most of the numericals are depend upon the practical meaning. So this is the practical meaning, definition, and these are the units of molarity. Now we are going to do the number of numericals with different concept of the molarity, means with respect to density. Clear? So let's start for the number of numericals. Students, now we are going to move our numericals. Here suppose they will give you 1 molar of NaOH, and question is you have to prepare 0.2 molar NaOH from this solution. Clear? So here question is what amount of, means what amount of solution needed to prepare 0.2 m NaOH, sodium hydroxide, from 1 molar sodium hydroxide. So your simple question is you have to prepare 0.2 molar sodium hydroxide solution, and they have given you 1 molar of NaOH. Clear? So suppose means in a beaker there is a beaker which contain 1 molar NaOH, and they ask you what amount of volume you take of this solution to prepare 0.2 m of sodium hydroxide. So here student understand, here you have to calculate the volume. So here its molarity is 1 m and we have to calculate its volume. But here they have given you molarity m2, which is equals to 0.2 molar, and its volume is, molarity means here volume is 1 liter. Clear? So here the formula is m1 v1 is equals to m2 v2. Means in the question we have to take its volume. So here we have to calculate v1, which is equals to m2 v2 divided by m1. So here m2 is 0.2, its v is 1, and here 1. Is it clear? Now we have to use 0.2 liter solution. So here this we have to take it 0.2 liter solution. It means 0.2 into 1000 ml. It means here we have 2 by 10 into 1000, which will give you 200 ml of this. Means we have to take 200 ml of 1 m sodium hydroxide. Clear? And after taking 200 ml of 1 molar NaOH, we add water so that its volume total become 1000 ml. Means at that time we add 800 ml by taking volume. Here we take its 200 ml in a separate beaker and add 100 ml water, and after adding 100 ml water this solution is formed. I again repeat, here we take its 200 ml solution in separate beaker and add 800 ml solution. So after adding 800 ml solution, we prepare the 0.2 molar solution of sodium hydroxide. So this is the practical meaning, and this mostly used in the lab because most of the time they prepare 1 molar sodium hydroxide and they ask the lab attendant or either the students to prepare the 0.2 molar solution of this. So this is the practical, and you can also take it as numerical, and this is a formula. Is it clear? So now we are going to move our next numerical. So students, here simple numerical. A solution of sodium hydroxide is prepared by mixing 4 gram of sodium hydroxide in 500 ml of water. What is molarity of solution? Students, so here question is, we have to a solution of sodium hydroxide is prepared by mixing 4 gram of sodium hydroxide in 500 ml of water. So what is the molarity of solution? So here they given, so here in the solution, here they can also write it 500 ml of it. Both meanings are same. So here solution means 500 ml of it means टोटल जो आपका solution बनेगा उसकी आपने वॉल्यूम कितनी रखनी है, 500. Clear? So here in the solution they give you mass of sodium hydroxide which is equals to 4 gram. Here we have to calculate its molar mass. So here sodium mass is 23, oxygen mass is 16, and it's 1, which will become 40 gram per mole. Now given volume is means here either they can give you of water or of it, means आपका जो total volume का solution है वो 500 होना चाहिए. So here volume of solution is 500 ml. In the definition we have done that the volume should be present in liter. So here 500 ml divided by 1000, because 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. We have to convert milliliter into liter, so at that time we have to divide it with 1000. So this will become 1/2 liter, or either you can say 0.5 liter. Now what is the formula for the molarity? So here molarity, which is denoted by capital M, is equals to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So here number of moles, which is equals to WB divided by MB. Here given mass divided by molar mass into here the volume is V. So here what is the given mass? 4 gram. Molar mass 40 gram per mole. And what is the volume? 0.5 liter. So here this will become 4/40. Here gram will cut with gram. Clear? 4/40 divided by 5/10. Clear? Here the unit is mole per liter. So here 4 cut with 4, and we get here 1/5 mole per liter, which is equals to 0.2 molarity. So here this is a numerical in which they have given you to calculate the molarity of the solution, in which there is a given mass 400 gram and volume of the total solution is 500 ml. So here instead of water they can also give it 500 ml of it. So total volume should be 500 ml. So this is a simple method. You have to understand this formula. I hope this is clear to all of you because we have already done its practical numerical. Now next move to our numerical, which is of different kind. So students, here I will discuss the property of molarity, that the formula is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So here molarity is depend upon the volume of the solution. So the volume is directly proportional to temperature. So its meaning is whenever you heat any solution, clear, at that time its temperature increases. So if temperature is increases, there is also increase in volume, clear. So here the volume of the solution changes with the temperature. So this is the reason that molarity changes with temperature, clear. So this is the reason this is not preferred. Now we have our numerical. So here the numerical is this is the third type of the numerical. What is resulting molarity of solution by mixing 2 liter of 0.5 sodium hydroxide and 5 liter of 0.3 molar of sodium hydroxide. So students, first of all understand the question, means what is the resulting molarity of the solution by mixing 2 liter of 0.5 sodium hydroxide. Means here in a beaker there is a solution which is 2 liter, but here the molarity is 0.5, and in another beaker there is given 0.3 molar sodium hydroxide, which is 5 in liter, clear. You mix both this solution in a beaker, clear. So here at that time the volume is directly added, means 2 liter plus 5 liter. So here the resulting volume will become 7 liter. We have to calculate its molarity. So students, here molarity is not directly means additive. So here the formula is, here first of all write the what is given in the question. 2 liter of 0.5 sodium hydroxide. So here V1 is 2 liter and M1 is 0.5 liter. Is it clear? And in the second part they have given you 5 liter of 0.3 sodium hydroxide. So here V2 is 5 liter, whereas M2 is 0.3 M. Here we have to calculate M3, whereas V3 is equals to V1 plus V2. This is a simple means whenever you add 5 liter plus 2 liter of solution, this will become total 7 liter. 2 plus 5, which is equals to 7 liter. So here M V1 plus m2 v2 which is equals to m3 v3. Here most of the student think that this will happen, but this is wrong method. Clear? So here m1 is 0.5, v1 is 2 plus. So students here always use bracket because most of the student directly add 2 plus. Here if I write m2 0.3, so always use bracket so that this is clear to all of you. Here m3, here v3 is 7 liter. So here this will become 1 plus 1.5 which will give you m3 divided by 7 liter. So here m3 is equals to 2.5 divided by 7 liter. So here you can check 5 by 10, 5 cut with 10 to 1, clear? 0.3 here, 3 by 10, 1.5 here, m3 this. So this is a method to calculate here. So here this will become 25 by 70. So students, you have to calculate the answer, and after calculating the answer you have to comment in the section that what is the answer of this numerical. So this is the third type of the numerical. Now next we are going to move towards the fourth type of the numerical. So student, this is the simple concept, means if you add two solution, either 2, either 4, either 5, either 6, so at that time you have to use m1 v1, m2 v2, m3 v3, m4 v4, m5 v5. You can get the, after mixing all the 5 solution, m6 v6. So this is the third type of numerical. Now we are going to do the fourth type of numerical. So students, here numerical is 29.2% weight by weight HCl stock solution has a density of 1.25 gram liter. So here in the question they have given you that you have a HCl solution and which has a density. Here density is rho, either we can write here directly, density is 1.25 gram per milliliter. Molecular mass of the HCl is here given is Mb, which is equals to 36.5 gram per mole. What is the volume, means in milliliter, of stock solution required to prepare 200 ml of solution of 0.4 m HCl? Means here we have to prepare a solution of HCl which has molarity is equals to 0.4 m and its volume is 200 ml. So here question is, what is the volume of HCl? Means here we have to calculate the volume of this solution, means how much volume I take here from this beaker and added, so that the solution of volume means 200 ml and molarity is 0.4 solution will become. Clear? So here we have to calculate the volume of HCl. So here V1 is volume of 0. Here we have to calculate the molarity. Clear? Here the volume of HCl. Here we have to first calculate the M1. Clear? So here molarity is calculated from the volume. So here first of all we have to calculate the volume of solution. So here the solution, I will write here the solution. So here first of all, if there is a percentage, so here mass of solution 100 gram. Clear? So because here they have given weight by weight, that means total weight of the solution is 100 gram. Here the volume of 100 gram solution, we have to calculate it. Here density is equals to mass by volume. So here volume become density mass by density. So here mass is 100 gram. Here this is a volume of full solution. So here 100 gram divided by 1.25 gram per milliliter. So here gram will cancel with gram. Here 100 and 2 points, and this is milliliter, and I think here 80 milliliter. This is the volume of solution. Clear? So in this question we have to tell what amount of HCl, means this is the total volume of the solution, and we have to tell what amount of volume we should take from this solution and add this, so that this will become molarity of 0.2 molar solution. So this is the volume. Now we have to calculate molarity. Here molarity is M1. Clear? Means molarity of the 0 point means this solution. So here molarity is number of moles. So here number of moles is given mass divided by molar mass. So here the given mass of HCl is 29.2 gram. Here I will write given mass of HCl is 29.2 gram, because here they have write weight by weight. So here given mass is 29.2. What is the molar mass? 36.5. Clear? And what is the volume? So here volume is 80 ml. Is it clear, students? So now here we have to calculate the molarity of the solution. So here the molarity of the solution will become, answer is, here we have 292 divided by 365 into 80. So here students, you have to calculate the molarity of the solution. Here after cutting, the answer will become, here I have take the volume in milliliter, we have to convert it into liter, because molarity is always calculated in liter. So here we get the answer 10 molarity. Students, you can find this by means, here check, means 0 is cutting with 0, and this, when this will you calculate the answer will become 10 molarity. So this is the M1. What is the answer? 10 molar. So here simple method, M1 V1 is equals to M2 V2. So here what is the M1? 10, and we have to calculate V1. Here M2 is 0.4 and V2 is 200 ml. So here V1 is equals to 0.4 into 200 divided by 10. Clear? So here answer is 4 by 10 into 20. So here the volume of solution added is 8 milliliter. Means if I take 8 milliliter of this solution, that solution will become molar. Means if we take 8 ml of this solution, at that time the molarity of the solution is 0.4 and volume is 200 ml. Means here we'll take 8 ml of this solution and add water till the volume of solution will become 200 ml. I again repeat, we take 8 ml of this solution and add water, so that the total volume of the solution will become 200 ml. So at that time the molarity of the solution will remain 0.4, and just we have to add the water, so that the total volume will become 200 ml. So students, these are the different types of the numericals for the molarity. If you like this topic, means understand this topic, subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.